Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to delete your Amazon Photos account. Whether you're switching to a different cloud storage service or simply looking to clear out your digital space, this guide will walk you through the complete process step by step. First things first, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and sign in with your credentials. After you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper left panel where you'll see a menu option labeled All. Click on that, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Amazon Photos. Now click on Amazon Photos again to access the service. You'll then need to click Sign In to proceed with managing your account settings and content. Here's something important to understand before we continue. If you're currently on a paid storage plan, you have the option to cancel that subscription and permanently delete all your photos and videos to stop using the service completely. However, if you're on a free plan, you won't be able to cancel it in the traditional sense. Instead, clearing all your content effectively deactivates your usage of the service, which achieves the same goal. Let's move forward with deleting your content. In the left sidebar, click on Photos to view all the media you've stored. Once you're there, you'll want to select all the photos and videos in your library. After you've selected everything, look at the top menu and click Move to Trash. This action will prepare all your selected content for deletion. A confirmation pop-up will appear on your screen asking you to verify this action. Go ahead and click Delete to confirm. This permanently removes all your photos and videos from Amazon Photos. Now, if you happen to be using a paid plan, there's an additional step you'll need to take. In the left sidebar, click on Storage to access your subscription settings. Although I'm not currently subscribed to Amazon Photos, I'll walk you through what the next steps would look like. Once you're in the storage section, you would click Cancel My Plan. Following that, select End Your Plan or turn off Auto Renewal depending on what option appears for your specific subscription type. Then confirm your cancellation to finalize the process. And there you have it. You've successfully cleared your Amazon Photos content and, if applicable, canceled your paid storage plan. This effectively removes your presence from the service. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.